Hello and welcome to InsideWi-Fi, video 43. Wi-Fi generations, Wi-Fi 1 through 7. The technical names of Wi-Fi standards created confusion among non-technical users. Wi-Fi Alliance, a non-profit organization that owns the Wi-Fi trademark, adopted a simplified numbering system in 2018 to make it easier for consumers to understand the different versions of Wi-Fi technology as part of their branding program. This system started with Wi-Fi 4 and continues with newer generations. The earlier standards, 802.11b, 802.11a and 802.11g, are retrospectively referred to as Wi-Fi 1, Wi-Fi 2 and Wi-Fi 3 respectively in common usage and some documentation, but these names were not part of an official Wi-Fi Alliance branding program. Let us discuss each Wi-Fi standards or generations one by one. Wi-Fi 1, 802.11b. Released in 1999, Wi-Fi 1 was the first widely adopted wireless networking standard. It operated in the 2.4 GHz band and supported data rates of up to 11 megabits per second. Designed primarily for home use, it demonstrated the practicality of wireless connectivity for everyday computing. However, since it used the crowded ISM band, shared with devices such as Bluetooth, microwave ovens, cordless phones and baby monitors, interference was a common challenge. Despite its limitations and relatively low speeds, Wi-Fi 1 introduced wireless internet access, fundamentally changing how laptops and desktop PCs connected to networks. Wi-Fi 2, 802.11a. Released in 1999, Wi-Fi 2 operated in the 5 GHz band, unlike Wi-Fi 1, and increased maximum data rates to up to 54 megabits per second. The use of the 5 GHz spectrum significantly reduced interference, resulting in more stable connections. However, this came at the cost of shorter range, as 5 GHz signals do not penetrate walls and obstacles as effectively as 2.4 GHz signals. Due to this limitation, Wi-Fi 2 saw greater adoption in office and enterprise environments rather than in homes. Wi-Fi 3, 802.11g. Released in 2003, Wi-Fi 3 operated in the 2.4 GHz band while combining the range of earlier standards with higher data rates. It supported speeds of up to 54 megabits per second and maintained backward compatibility with previous Wi-Fi versions, which contributed to its widespread adoption. This balance of performance and compatibility made Wi-Fi 3 extremely popular in both home and office environments. Wi-Fi 4, 802.11n. Released in 2009, Wi-Fi 4 was the first generation to support both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, introducing true dual-band operation. It delivered a nearly tenfold increase in performance, with maximum data rates reaching up to 600 megabits per second. Wi-Fi 4 introduced several key technologies that shaped modern Wi-Fi, including MU-MIMO with multiple antennas and spatial streams, channel bonding, frame aggregation, block acknowledgements, DFS support, configurable guard intervals, and enhanced power-saving mechanisms. These advancements established the foundation for today's high-performance Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi 5, 802.11ac. Released in 2013, Wi-Fi 5 operates exclusively in the 5 GHz band and delivers theoretical data rates of up to 6.9 gigabits per second. It builds upon all the features introduced in Wi-Fi 4 and further enhances MIMO by introducing MU-MIMO, enabling simultaneous communication with multiple devices. Wi-Fi 5 also supports up to 8 spatial streams, channel bandwidths of up to 160 MHz, and introduces 1024 QAM, significantly increasing throughput and efficiency. Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax. Introduced in 2020, Wi-Fi 6 supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands and brings OFDMA for better spectrum efficiency. It offers theoretical speeds of up to 9.6 gigabits per second, improves performance in dense environments, reduces co-channel interference using BSS coloring, and enhances power savings through target wake time, TWT. Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax extended. Released in 2021, Wi-Fi 6E extends Wi-Fi 6 by introducing support for the 6 GHz band, providing additional spectrum for faster speeds, lower latency, and reduced interference. Wi-Fi 7, 802.11be. Released in 2024, Wi-Fi 7 was the first generation to support 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz and 6 GHz bands. Wi-Fi 7 builds upon Wi-Fi 6 by expanding channel bandwidths up to 320 MHz, supporting 4096 QAM, and introducing multi-link operation, MLO. These enhancements enable theoretical data rates of up to 46 gigabits per second, delivering significantly higher throughput and lower latency. In our next video, let's see what is SSID. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share your router's model and brand in the comments, and mention which Wi-Fi generation it belongs to.